Hi friends, in this video we will discuss convolution sum between a unit step sequence and a rectangular sequence. This concept we will discuss with an example. Let us take determine the output of discrete time LTI system. LTI means linear time invariant system if x of n is u of n minus 2 minus u of n minus 5 and h of n equal to u of n. This one you have to solve by graphical method. Convolution sum operation we have to perform by graphical method. Okay. Here this acts as a, we know this is a step sequence and this acts as a rectangular sequence. It is of infinite duration, it is of finite duration sequence. We know the formula for calculating convolution sum is y of k is equal to summation over the limits k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k into h of n minus k. Okay. In this formula we come to know that x of k is keeping constant. Second sequence we have to make shift and then multiply. So as for the formula, let us represent both the sequences in terms of index k. X of k equal to u of k minus 2 minus u of k minus 5. Nothing but if you are representing graphically means x of k equal to, it starts from 2 and ends at 4. It has only 3 samples. And coming to the second sample, that is u of n. If you are representing in terms of k, it is from 0 to it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. It is h of k having amplitude 1, but we want h of minus k, h of n minus k. We want h of n minus k. We are going to calculate by substituting n equal to 0. If you substitute n equal to 0, it becomes h of minus k. H of minus k is, it is here. H of minus k means reflection version. It is the reflection of what? H of minus k is the reflection of h of k. Nothing but k is replaced by minus k. Then 0 is replaced by minus 0, 1 becomes minus 1, 2 becomes minus 2, 3 becomes minus, like that. So nothing but 0, 1, 2, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on up to minus infinity. Okay. Now 0 is replaced by reindexing. We know already k equal to n equal to 0, that is n. It is n minus 1, it is n minus 2, n minus 3, so on. So what is our reference point? Our reference point is n. Keep remember our reference point is n. Finding the convolution sum by graphical method, we have to discuss two cases: non-overlap and overlap cases. How to check overlap and non-overlap cases means, let us keep first signal as it is. Nothing but we have to keep first signal constant. This signal we have to keep constant. This signal we have to keep constant. And second signal, this is second signal. This signal we have to keep on shifting. This signal we have to keep on shifting. Okay. Let us take the second signal and place over the first signal in such a way that it is our reference point. Take the second signal and place over the first signal in such a way that there is no overlap. Nothing but if n value is less than 2, then there is no overlap. If n is less than 2, then there is no overlap, hence y of n equal to 0. This is the case. If you are representing graphically means, if n is less than 2, then there is no overlap, hence this is the result. Let us go for overlap cases. When it overlaps, if the reference point of second signal, if n is greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 4, then only it get overlaps. So that one we are going to write. If n is less than, overlap case, if n is greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 4, then there is a overlap. Let us see in the graphically. First signal as it is, I am going to sketch. First signal has only 3 samples, 2, 3 and 4. This is first signal constant. Second signal, what we have to take? The second signal reference point is n. You can take what? Greater than 2 and there should be less than 4. If you replace here, see here, if I am representing here means, if it is n, then from where to where? Here one more, here, 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 like that. Okay. So overlap regions 2 to n. if I replace here less than equal to, I say if I replace place here n, then once again 2 to n. So limits becomes what? 2 to n. X of k, h of n minus k, limits becomes 2 to n. Both are having amplitude 1. So as we discussed in the previous video, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So hence answer is n minus 1. N minus 1 is for what? N minus 1 is for this case, the value of n lies between 2 to 4. Okay. Next overlap case, if n is greater than 4, if n is greater than 4 means take anywhere else, but the condition should be what? That should be lies outside 4, greater than 4. If you place anywhere after 4, then check the overlap cases uh, from 2 to 4. Hence 2 to 4 is the overlap case. uh, Upper limit minus lower limit plus 1, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, it is 3. Hence y of n 3, y of n equal to 3 for what? This is for what? N is greater than 4. Hence in concise we can write y of n equal to 0 for n is less than 2, n minus 1, 2 to 4, 3 for n is greater than 4. If you are representing graphically the answer as less than 2, less than 2 it is 0, less than 2 it is 0, n equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Next n equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2. N equal to 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Next n greater than 4, all samples are 3. So this is the y of n. Thank you very much.